Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to create a poll on WhatsApp. Whether you're gathering opinions from friends or making group decisions, creating a poll is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the chat or group where you want to create the poll. This can be an existing conversation or a new one. Next, tap on the attachment icon. If you're using an Android device, this will look like a paperclip. On iOS devices, it might appear as a plus sign. From the menu that pops up, select the option labeled Poll. Now it's time to set up your poll. Start by entering your question in the designated field. This is where you ask what you'd like feedback on, whether it's choosing a restaurant, deciding on a meeting time, or anything else. Below the question field, you'll find spaces to add answer options. Tap Add Option and type in your first choice. Repeat this step for each additional option you'd like to include. You can add up to 12 options if needed. If you want to allow participants to select more than one answer, toggle on the Allow Multiple Answers button. This feature is optional, so feel free to leave it off if you prefer single-choice responses. Once everything looks good, tap the Send icon. It looks like a paper plane. To share your poll in the chat. Your poll is now live. Participants can vote by tapping their preferred options, and everyone in the chat will see the results in real time. And that's it. You've successfully created a poll on WhatsApp. It's a fantastic way to collect opinions and make decisions effortlessly. Try it out today and see how it simplifies group discussions.